X has officially launched an advertising revenue-sharing program for content creators. Elon Musk had paid some users on Twitter a few weeks ago. Twitter, now rebranded as X by Elon Musk, has been reported to have officially launched an advertising revenue-sharing program for content creators. The company had made payments to some content creators earlier this month, but now, users worldwide who meet the eligibility criteria can apply for the program through the monetization tab in their settings. In order to be eligible to participate and earn money, you need to subscribe to XBlue or be a verified organization. You should also have at least 15 million impressions on your total posts in the last 3 months and a minimum of 500 followers. The company states, "We want the process to be as simple as possible, so all eligible XBlue and verified organization subscribers have the right to revenue share as long as they meet the eligibility criteria and participate. X will pay you as long as you've earned more than $50. The support document for the program doesn't specify how the company determines the value of the payments. Some users have reported earnings. In the past weeks, Brian Krasenstein, a writer with approximately 750,000 followers, claimed that Twitter had paid him $24,305. Another user with 230,000 followers stated earning $2,236, and Benny Johnson, a political commentator with 1.7 million followers, mentioned earning $9,546.